Hi, welcome to PayRules tutorial series from KlinKode. Today we'll learn how to hide the payment method for certain products using the PayRules app. First, open PayRules app. Click on the Add a New Rule button. Click on the Add a New Condition button. Select Products Condition. Now add your desired products from the Products Conditions field and select If Found. We will select Snow Bear. You'll need to give your rule a name. Now go to the Payment Methods section and click on the Add or Type a New Payment Method button, then select Cash on Delivery. Finally, click on the Save button. We will hide cash on delivery if the order contains Snow Bear. Now let's test our rule. We already have a product game collection in the cart. As you can see, cash on delivery visible on the checkout page. Now let's add the Snow Bear product to the cart and go to the checkout page. As you can see, the cash on delivery payment method is gone. That's it. Simple way to hide payment methods with PayRules. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to contact us via live chat or our contact page where you'll find email and WhatsApp details. Thanks for using the PayRules app. Happy selling!